Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the color of the pieces on chairs that you've been assigned on GLSS 3D. So let's get started. First of all, open the GLSS 3D on your device. Now, here you can just tap on Start Game option and then select a slot. Now select the mode of game you want to play. After that, you can find the color of piece showing up just before your avatar. Tap on it, and that's how you can change the color of pieces that you've been assigned on GLSS 3D. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.